hard to believe it's 10 to 8 in the morning. Rather dark today, hence the high-vis bridge supply kit. Not that it's not always good to be seen, but just sort of chilling, coming around the res today. It is quite beautiful, pretty much all year, all times of the day. I love it. So close to home, super nice to have, and generally pretty low traffic minus worker dudes. No one's really commuting on this side anyway. Alright, we're on the other side of the reservoir now. Heading back around. Definitely a little funky today. I did not anticipate quite so much, sort of like moisture, I guess, in the air. It's fine. Legs feel a little rubbery. Still nice though. That's our view. Titicus North. Alright, well, I guess it's kind of raining. I don't know what's happening. Definitely not fog, and it's not that warm, so we're heading home. It's gonna take an easier ride anyway, and we're almost there.